Our sign interpreter is Marisha Witino. President William Ruto has welcomed the decision by the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development to establish its African continental office in Nairobi. The ratification process is currently before Parliament. President Ruto said this is a strategic move that will strengthen support for micro, small and medium enterprises and promote public-private partnerships as key drivers of economic growth. He made the remarks on the sidelines of the 4th International Conference on Financing for Development in Seville, Spain, where he held talks with EBRD President Odile Renaud Basso. President Ruto and the EBRD President agreed on a comprehensive engagement strategy, including support for climate financing and the promotion of green investments. Earlier, President Ruto held bilateral talks with the Ukrainian Prime Minister Denis Shmyhal, where he committed to strengthening diplomatic ties with Ukraine for the mutual benefit of both nations.
Opportunity to have this meeting. Thank you very much. Welcome.
Thank you. I've already done some ground by the Parliament, and then we need to
Our business-to-business cooperation, for our government-to-government cooperation.
Financing, but we can also work with...
It's a great honor and pleasure for me to have this meeting with you. Thank you so much. Your first time with Ukrainians. Yes. I know that you have many meetings with President Zelensky. For this opportunity to have this meeting. Thank you very much. Welcome.
Thank you.